Today we are going to revise the next part of the unit 3, that is alcohol. As we see in the definition of the alcohol, there will be the MCQ based on this particular definition. Okay, the compound which contain hydroxy group as a functional group called as alcohols. They are represented as a general formula ROH. Then there we have seen the nomenclature. Sometimes the nomenclature may be there for the MCQs. First of all, we have seen the monohydric alcohol. In the monohydric alcohol, only one OH group is there, that you have to remember that R, whatever the ROH, in the ROH, R may be the alkyl group, substituted alkyl group, simple alkyl group, alkynyl group, alkynyl group, or a saturated carbon attached to a benzene ring. These are the this will be the R group. Now you have seen the different example that already methanol, ethanol, and all these things. How the nomenclature we are going to do. In the general, alkyl alcohol is the common name, whereas the IUPAC name will nothing but the alkanol. Right? Alkanol will be the IUPAC name. Then monohydric alcohols are classified as the primary alcohol, secondary alcohol, and the tertiary alcohol. As you should know, the primary alcohol, OH group will be attached to such a carbon which has only one carbon, single carbon. And then the secondary, the OH group is attached to such a carbon which is linked to the two carbon atoms. It is called as secondary carbon. Then what is about the tertiary? The hydroxy group is attached to such a carbon which is linked to, it is attached to the three different carbon atoms. Okay, we have a primary, tertiary, and a secondary and a tertiary. In the hydric alcohol, we have seen, okay, glycol is the ethylene glycol. The IUPAC name will be the ethane 1,2-diol. Monohydric alcohols, these are the monohydric alcohols. Then dihydric, we have seen trihydric alcohols are there. This is the glycerol. The name will be the propane 1,2,3-triol. Then polyhydric alcohol will be there. Sorbitol is the example. Then how you can nomenclature, that I said already. You have to consider the longest chain. Then you have to give the lowest possible number to OH group, and accordingly you can consider the alkane and you can name the alcohol. Right? These are the so many different examples that we have seen already. Now preparation of the alcohols, hydration of the alkenes, then the hydroboration, oxidation, and the third one is the hydrolysis of the alkyl halide. There will be the MCQ based on this particular preparation method. How you can prepare the low molecular alcohol can be prepared by addition of ... to alkene. That will be the MCQ based on this particular part. Are you getting this? Here the reaction we have seen already. And catalyst used in this particular is the dilute sulfuric acid or say phosphoric acid, and the reaction is known as the hydration of the alkene. There will be the MCQ based on this particular hydration of the alkene. Then the hydroboration, boron hydride is added to the alkene to form the trialkyl borane, which on oxidation gives the alkaline, oxidation with alkaline aqueous H2O2 gives the primary alcohol. That is the hydroboration that may come for the MCQ purpose. Then the hydrolysis of the alkyl halide on treatment with an sodium hydroxide NaOH or CTOH from alcohol by replacement of the halogen atom by the hydroxyl group. That reaction again we have seen already. That may be there for the MCQ purpose. Then how will you convert aldehyde and ketone to primary and the secondary alcohol? By the catalytic hydrogenation, reduction with the metal hydride. Again here we have seen the different example. Aldehyde and ketones can be heated with the hydrogen in the presence of the finely divided metals such as the platinum, palladium, nickel, or ruthenium, Ru. Hydrogenation of the CO takes place to give the primary and the secondary alcohol. Then reduction with metal hydride. Here you can use the lithium aluminum hydride or say sodium borohydride. That too may be there for the MCQs. These types of the MCQs will be there in detail. We will see in the next lecture. Thank you.